Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about PancakeSwap. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Cake coin. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, this video is going a special message, my friends. So keep watch. Very important for everybody. My friends, first of all, we are going to discuss the latest update, and after that, I'm talking about the special message. So now the latest price of the PancakeSwap in the market is 15.64 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the PancakeSwap, so now the last 1 hour changes is a negative. The previous last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the PancakeSwap is positive. Just only the last 1 hour changes is a negative. The previous changes occurring in the Cake is negative. Completely the price jumps. Let me show you the price chart of the PancakeSwap. Oh, absolutely a good jump occurred by PancakeSwap, my friends. Huge pump. Positive 2.53%. The price increase 15.8 USD dollar is the highest price of the PancakeSwap, my friends. You can see that every change is going positive in the Cake coin. So now due to these changes, I also recommend for everybody, and the special message is also there, that please buy more and more PancakeSwap. It is the beginning of a new month, so now possibilities, my friend, that the price will pump and you get a huge amount of profit. So I recommend for everybody that please buy now more and more PancakeSwap token. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about PancakeSwap? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.